Hey Disney Dreamers, welcome back to Exploring Disney. I'm JB and today we're bringing you the latest and greatest from the parks. In this week's update, we're covering all the latest happenings in the wonderful world of Disney. Our update this week includes time changes of evening shows at Magic Kingdom, hinting at a potential start date for Disney Starlight, the opening of Epcot's new adults only lounge, Geo82, first previews for two big shows coming to Hollywood Studios, more good to go days for annual pass holders, plus we'll take a peek at the latest transformation happening at one of Disney's most iconic resorts. Also next week is Disney's upcoming fiscal meeting, but more on that later. Let's jump in. Get ready for some sparkling changes at Magic Kingdom. Disney has updated the performance times for Happily Ever After, and it looks like it could be part of preparations for the dazzling debut of Disney Starlight Dream the Night Away this summer. From late June through early July, Happily Ever After will light up the skies at 9:20 p.m. each night. But starting July the 6th, 2025, the fireworks show will shift to a later time, 10 p.m, a change that stays in place through at least July the 7th, the latest day posted so far. The new timing lines up perfectly with traditional Magic Kingdom parade patterns, hinting that Disney Starlight Dream the Night Away might roll out twice nightly. This is what it could look like. The first parade at 9 p.m, fireworks at 10 p.m, and then the second parade at 11 p.m. While Disney hasn't officially announced the opening date or a full schedule yet, all signs are pointing to a July the 6th debut for Starlight, and we are so ready to dream the night away. There's also a chance Disney could sprinkle in some extra magic with preview events for cast members or annual pass holders and other special guests before the official opening. No previews have been announced just yet, but we will be watching very closely. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates on this exciting new show coming to Magic Kingdom. Also, over at Magic Kingdom, there are early signs that construction has officially started as Disney gears up for the exciting new Cars-themed expansion. Heavy machinery and fencing have been spotted backstage near Big Thunder Mountain and Tiana's Bayou Adventure, right along Floridian Way. According to earlier permit filings, this backstage area will be used as a laydown yard, basically a behind-the-scenes hub for storing materials, staging equipment, and supporting the work ahead for this multi-year project. Think of it as the pit crew headquarters for the transformation to come. Once everything's prepped, the laydown yards will help fuel a massive makeover. The complete reimagining of Tom Sawyer Island and Rivers of America into a brand new off-road rally adventure inspired by the Cars universe. Disney has shared that official construction on the new Cars area will kick off in 2025, with even more visible changes rolling out in the months ahead. No word yet on when Tom Sawyer Island and the Liberty Square riverboat will officially close, but we'll be keeping our headlights on for the updates. Stay tuned as we track all the magic in motion. And we have a new kind of magic coming over to Epcot. Get ready to raise a glass as the brand new adults only lounge Geo82 officially opens inside Spaceship Earth on June the 4th, 2025. Reservations are open May the 6th, so mark your calendars. Tucked inside one of Epcot's most iconic landmarks, Geo82 will offer guests 21 and older a sophisticated escape featuring handcrafted cocktails, globally inspired small plates, and stunning views of the World Celebration Gardens. As mentioned above, it's adults only, so unfortunately guys, no kiddos are allowed in this new lounge. The lounge is designed as an intimate, elegant space, drawing inspiration from the architecture and storytelling spirit of Spaceship Earth itself. Whether you're looking for a relaxing afternoon sip or a chic evening unwind after a day of adventure, Geo82 is ready to set the scene. And with this elegant new lounge comes a new premium experience. Guests can also book the Geo82 firework experience. This is a one-of-a-kind way to enjoy Epcot's beautiful firework display away from the crowds. The menu at Geo82 is full of delicious options that look incredible, and we are super excited to try them. For something unique, the caramelized leek martini and brown butter old fashioned both intrigued us with their flavour combinations. We also really love the sound of the strawberry and coconut right hand and the smoky electron. They sound like they're full of zest and punch. Geo82 is also offering zero proof drinks. When it comes to bites, we're kind of curious about the jumbo lump crab gatto topped with caviar and the decadent truffle ahi tuna. We love food over here at Exploring Disney, and being married to an Italian, food is a huge thing for us, so we're really excited to try these new bites. And it wouldn't be a Disney experience if it didn't have a super cool, classy souvenir glass. These glasses are inspired by the lounge itself, and they are the perfect way to take home a piece of a truly magical and spectacular evening. Now here's what's included within the Geo82 firework experience. So you get a private window side table, champagne poured tableside or an event exclusive cocktail, a tower of savoury small bites served before the fireworks, and then you get a selection of sweet treats served during Luminous, the Symphony of Us. And now for the pricing. So for this experience, it works out at $179 per person, plus tax and gratuity. Reservations for this lounge open on May the 6th, 2025. Theme park admission is required and it is not included. Park reservations may also be needed depending on your ticket. And the age requirement again for the lounge, guys, is 21 and over, and you must come with a valid ID. Just a few important details for you guys to be aware of. You must check in to Geo82 60 minutes before the fireworks showtime. Fireworks performances are not guaranteed and may be impacted by the weather or other operational needs. So just be sure you double check the Epcot schedule closer to your visit. And once booked, a 24-hour cancellation policy applies. This does sound like a truly one-of-a-kind way to end a magical time at Epcot. So mark your calendars for May the 6th to grab those reservations early. And we've got more stage magic coming to Hollywood Studios. So Disney has scheduled cast member previews for its 2 brand new stage shows that are coming to Disney World Hollywood Studios this summer. The preview lineup currently stands as Disney Villains Unfairly Ever After. Previews are showing May the 21st, the 22nd and the 23rd. And for The Little Mermaid, A Musical Adventure, previews are showing May the 24th, the 25th and the 26th. Both shows officially open to all guests on May the 27th, 2025, just in time for an unforgettable summer season. Just a quick recap for you guys. Disney Villains Unfairly Ever After will take over the Sunset Showcase, spotlighting icons like Cruella de Vil, Captain Hook and Maleficent as they plead their case for being the most misunderstood, with live musical numbers, stunning special effects and an audience-driven finale inside the Magic Mirrors realm. And the new reimagined The Little Mermaid, A Musical Adventure will bring Ariel's world back to the stage with all new sets, refreshed music and dazzling modern effects, offering a fresh and magical dive under the sea. We are super excited for both shows. On one side, we've got something totally new, and on the other, we've got an old classic that has been totally reimagined. Now, as we are officially in May, the countdown to these new productions can begin. More good to go days announced for Disney Pass World holders. So this is great news if you're an annual pass holder. Disney has added even more good to go days for early May 2025. You'll now be able to visit the park without a reservation on May the 6th, May the 7th and May the 8th. So that's another 3 days where you can simply show up and enjoy the magic at Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios or Animal Kingdom. Just a reminder, blockout dates still apply depending on your pass type, so be sure to double check before you head out. We love seeing more flexibility for pass holders, and honestly, spontaneous Disney days are the best. Big changes are well and truly underway at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. This resort's iconic birdcage centerpiece has been fully removed as the lobby transformation continues. The Garden View Lounge is now behind construction walls and a reimagined space is well on the way. Temporary check-in desks have been set up in the lobby and nearby restrooms near Citrico's are closed for now. While dining, pools, and most amenities remain open, guests should expect some pathway changes and daytime construction noise through to November 2025. A brand new lobby bar inspired by the beloved birdcage is coming soon, along with refreshed Victorian-style decor featuring floral designs, brass details, and garden-inspired touches. We're so excited to see the Grand Floridian's elegant new look take shape. Disney will be holding their second quarter fiscal earnings call on May the 7th, 2025. They're expected to cover updates on park performance, streaming growth, and future company plans. With the current trade tensions and broader economic discussions happening, many are also watching closely to see how Disney addresses any potential impacts. We're going to be keeping a close eye on it, and we'll share the key highlights with you in next week's video. And that's it for this week's magical update. If you enjoyed exploring the latest Disney news with us, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It honestly means so much to us. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure with us. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.